Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good
Good
morning,
morning.
sir.
So लास्ट क्लास में क्या क्या क्वेश्चन चल रहा था हमारा? क्वेश्चन नंबर 4.
सर फोर्थ क्वेश्चन में कंटिन्यूअस कर लिए थे, ग्राफ बनाना बाकी था।
ग्राफ तो बना लोगे आप लोग ना कि नहीं?
ये सर ग्राफ बना लेंगे।
बना लोगे ना? ओके.
सर एक बता दीजिए ना, हिस्टोग्राम नहीं बनाए हम लोग।
सर इतना नहीं पता थे, वही चल रहा था।
आप बोलो ना, क्या क्या बोल रहे हो? मुझे सुनाई नहीं पड़ रहा है.
सर हिस्टोग्राम हम लोग नहीं बनाए, तो एक बार बता दीजिए ना सैंपल।
क्या जी हिस्टोग्राम?
यस सर।
अच्छा क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 का ही ना?
हाँ सर, हिस्टोग्राम हम
यस
लोग
सर,
नहीं बनाए।
यस सर।
हाँ ठीक है, हिस्टोग्राम है. ओके. सो व्हाट वाज आपका क्लास इंटरव्यू क्या था? योर क्लास इंटरव्यू वाज class interval, that is what? Length in millimeter, na? Length in millimeter. That is length in millimeter. And next was your number of weeks. So length is class interval in the form of class interval, and this is frequency. That's why you write here f. Okay. So class interval was 117.5 to 126.5. है ना? 126.5 to 135.5, 135.5 to 144.5, 144.5 to 153.5, and 153.5 to 162.5, 162.5 to 171.5, and 171.5 to 180.5. Is it correct or not? 359, 359, 12, 5, 4, and 2. Right. Clear है सबको यहाँ तक? How to convert the discontinuous data into continuous
Yes,
data?
sir.
We have already discussed. Is there any doubt related to discontinuous to continuous? किसी को कुछ doubt
No,
है?
sir.
No doubt. Okay. Now
No, sir.
okay. So you will take your graph and start from very left hand corner. From very left hand corner, you start your graph. Okay. And this is 0, right? And starting from 0 origin, 117.5, then 126.5, 135.5, 144.5, 153.5, 162.5, 171.5, and 180.5. Right? So right here 117.5, 126.5, 135.5, 144.5, 153.5, 162.5, 171.5, and 180.5. Right? So you have written what we have taken in x-axis. In x-axis you have taken length in millimeter. You have taken length of leaves in millimeter, right? On x-axis you are taking. On y-axis you are taking number of leaves. On y-axis you are taking number of leaves, right? Now I am taking here from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This is y-axis and this is 12. Right? Now I am drawing one graph here. And in your classwork copy, in your notes, you have to also draw in graph. You cannot draw it rough diagram. Is it clear to everyone? आपके पास ग्राफ पेपर है ना? You will draw it in your graph paper. In your graph paper, you will draw. This is x-axis. Okay. Now units are I'm taking from 1 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. With this as a measurement, all the coordinates of x-axis and y-axis are completed. आपको ऐसा देखना है कि कोई भी चीज छूटे ना, ठीक है? Now, so here you have to do one more thing. You have to take the scale here. You will write in the graph scale. Scale. You will write scale. Scale on x-axis. On x-axis you are taking 1 centimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. So how much you can see here. 126 to 126 कितना हुआ? 9 ना? सबका डिफरेंस कितना आ रहा है? 9 आ रहा है ना? 9 is the difference. So on x-axis you are taking 1 centimeter is equal to 9 millimeter. Why? Because on x-axis length is in millimeter. So subsequent यहाँ पर 9 का difference है. So on x-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 9 millimeter, right? And on y-axis we will take what? 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 leaf. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 leaf. Because on y-axis you have taken the number of leaves, na? So 1 centimeter is equal to 1 leaf. You have taken. This must be written. Otherwise, एक number आपका कट जाएगा. Measurement scale is necessary on x-axis and y-axis. लेकिन आपका जो हम बार ग्राफ बनाते हैं, बार ग्राफ में आप नहीं भी लोगे तो चलेगा. Because of the simple आपके कॉलम्स हैं, x axis का मेजरमेंट रहता नहीं है, y axis का मेजरमेंट रहता है, ठीक है? So it is not required. But as far as your histogram is concerned, You have to take the x-axis measurement scale on x-axis and scale on y-axis is required. Okay. Now we'll take what 117.5 to 126.5 is this rod. And one more thing. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see that on y-axis there are similar distance is there. 0 to 1, 1, 1 to 2, 1, 3 to 2, 2 to 3, 1, 3 to 4 is 1 centimeter difference. But you can see here the difference is what? Here difference is same. From here to here, the difference is 9. But you can see from here to here, distance is very long, that is 117. तो यदि यहाँ से यहाँ तक का distance same नहीं है, तो this will be break in ground. You will write here, cut in ground. This is called kink sign. K-I-N-K. Kink sign. Why it is kink? Kink means break in ground. क्योंकि सब जगह distance जो है same है, but from 0 to 117, your gap is not same as others proceeding. ठीक है? Is it clear or not? सबको समझ में आया कि नहीं आया?
Yes sir.
X axis में
Yes sir, clear.
y axis पे नहीं है, यदि y axis पे होगा तो y axis पे भी किंग साइन लगाएंगे, बट y axis पे सिर्फ यहाँ पर गैप इक्वल है, इसलिए यहाँ किंग नहीं लगाएंगे. नहीं तो आपको कैसे बनता, यदि x पे भी होता और y में होता तो x में तो ये आपका बन जाता ये, और y में भी बनता था, y में भी किंग आता है, ऐसा किंग आता है, राइट. बट इन y the distance is same. In x, distance is not same everywhere from 0 to first number. So that is why this sign is known as kink sign. Okay. So this is 117.5 to 126.5 is 3 weeks. So यहाँ 3 weeks है, ये 3 weeks है. So this will be your first. यदि आपको शेयर करना है, you can share it. Okay. Next one is 126 to 135. 126 to 135 is 5. ये 5 आ जाएगा. This is 5. ये आ गया 5. Right. Next 135 to 144 is 9. ये 9 आ जाएगा. Next is 12, then 12 तक कर लो. Next is 5 again, ये 5 हो जाएगा. Next is 4, ये 4 आ जाएगा. Four, then 2. Last one is 2. Right? So ये आपका बना है complete graph. This is what? This is histogram. ठीक? और जो बाउंड्री है, बाउंड्री को डार्क कर सकते हो. You can darken the boundary. ये जो बाउंड्री है, जो आपको डार्क कर सकते हो, so that it will be clearly visible to examiner and you also. ये जो बाउंड्री है, you can darken the boundary. ये बाउंड्री को डार्क कर सकते हैं, so it will be look better, right? So this is the complete histogram. सबको समझ में आया? सबको समझ में आया? Tell me yes or no.
Yes sir.
Only one.
Yes sir.
Only one answer I am getting from Raghav.
Yes, sir.
Yes, very good. Please note down. Done.
Sir.
Completed? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Now, next question is similar one. So question number 5 I am giving for you that we have to solve. Okay. Here lifetime in hours is given 300 to 400, 400 to 500, and number of lamps are also given 14, 56, 60 like that. So I hope you can draw the histogram with the help of this observation. बना लोगे? Hello.
Sir.
बना लोगे?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I am solving next question, that is 66th question. In sixth question, we have to draw the frequency polygon. What is frequency polygon? What is polygon? Polygon means any figure having many sides. Poly means many or gons means side. A figure or a boundary having the different sides, right? So many sides, right? Like लाइक पॉलिनोमियल्स पॉलिनोमियल्स में क्या होता है बहुत सारे टर्म्स होते हैं ना दैट इज कॉल्ड व्हाट पॉलिनोमियल्स नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स सो मेनी टर्म्स आर देयर दैट इज पॉलिनोमियल्स एंड इफ एनी फिगर इज हैविंग bounded with the different sides so many sides that is called polygon. Triangle is a polygon, quadrilateral is a polygon, pentagon is a polygon because it is having many sides. Okay. So you have to draw here frequency polygon. And how to draw the frequency polygon? See here. Here they are given two sections, section A and section B. And marks of the section A and marks of the section B are given. You have to draw the frequency polygon. So for frequency polygon, what do you do? For section A, section A, and frequency. Okay, just a minute, I am filling my pen. This question is very important, or this can be asked in the examination. So please look here. So first one is there are two sections A and B. Section A and B. This is question number 6, and here section A. Section A is given, and in section A, marks given and frequency is given. Okay, mass and frequency, and we will find out one more thing here, that is class mark, right? We will find out class mark here. We will find out class mark. What is class mark? Do you know what is class mark? हमने class mark डिस्कस किया था पहले, right? This is section A. This is section A. Section A का class mark, and section B again marks, then marks, and next is frequency, and class mark, and this is for section B. This is for section B, right? So class marks are 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 30 to 40, and 40 to 50, right? 40 to 50, and frequencies are 3, 9, 17, 12, and 9. And here marks for this is same, 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, and 40 to 50. And frequencies of section B are different, that is 5, 19, 15, 10, and 1. Okay. So अब हम क्लास मार्क निकालेंगे. तो क्लास मार्क कैसे निकालेंगे? क्लास मार्क कैसे निकालते हैं किसी को याद है? हाउ टू फाइंड आउट द क्लास मार्क? किसी को मालूम है? क्लास मार्क मैंने स्टार्टिंग में डिस्कस किया था.
Sir, upper limit plus lower limit by 2.
यस, अपर लिमिट प्लस लोअर लिमिट बाय 2, दोनों को ऐड करके उसके एवरेज निकालते हैं. ठीक है. सो हम इसका एवरेज निकाल लेंगे. ठीक है. तो अब इसका जो क्लास मार्क निकाल लेते हैं. क्लास मार्क 0 to 0 plus 10 by 2, that is 5, and 10 plus 20, 30, 30 by 2, 15. देखो सब में 10 का गैप आ रहा है, यहाँ भी 10 का गैप आ रहा है, that is 25, 35 and 45. यदि हम इन दोनों को ऐड करके कुछ डिवाइड करें तो देखो सेम आएगा, 40 to 50 divided by 2 is 45. सिमिलरली हियर यहाँ भी क्लास मार्क हम निकाल लेंगे. क्या है क्लास मार्क में? 5, 15, 25, 35 and 45, राइट. अब देखो क्या करेंगे, इसको देखना है ध्यान से. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कंप्लीट दिस टेबल, इस टेबल को आप लोग कंप्लीट कर लो, उसके बाद मैं प्लॉटिंग कर रहा हूँ, ठीक है। उसके बाद हम क्या करेंगे, उसके बाद हम जो हमारा जो क्लास मान, विल ड्रॉ द ग्राफ बिटवीन क्लास मान एंड फ्रीक्वेंसी। क्लास मान और फ्रीक्वेंसी के बीच में हम लोग ग्राफ प्लॉट करेंगे। कैसे प्लॉट करेंगे देखो, this is x-axis and this is y-axis, मैं बाद में बनाऊंगा, and we'll take the class mark on the x-axis, ये 0, class mark on the x-axis, that is 5, 15, 25, 35 and 45. So I am taking the class mark on x-axis, class mark on x-axis and frequency on y-axis. Frequency on y-axis. This is frequency on y-axis. Frequency on y-axis. So whenever you have to draw the frequency polygon, what you will do? You will find out the class mark first, and you will draw the graph between the class mark and the frequency. And you will take the class mark on x-axis and frequency on y-axis. And frequency starts from, you can see frequency starts from 1, then 3, then 5, 9. So it is better to take in the interval of 2 to, right? Interval of 2 to, so 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. आपका मैक्सिमम 19 तक है, आपने 20 तक ले लिया, तो 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16